Hello Cordovians, how are you? This is Mona, your friend. Today, I'll tell you about one of the problems I have. I'm an indecisive person, which means I can't decide or make up my mind easily. And since you're my friends, you have to help me today, because I need to buy some stuff from the supermarket and I can't decide alone. Let's go! Okay, first I need to buy some rice. Oh, look at this pasta! It would be more delicious than rice. But rice is easier to cook. I don't know what to choose. I think rice would be better because it goes with almost any food. Thank God I made a decision quickly. Now, I want to buy a kilo of meat. I'll cook it with the rice. But I didn't eat fish from a long time, and the fish looks as fresh as the meat. The fish is also lighter than the meat. I guess the meat would be tastier? You know what? I'll buy some chicken and go home. But since you've helped me today, I'll tell you about how to use comparative adjectives. If you have a short adjective, add er at the end of the adjective. For example, tall, taller, big, bigger. If the adjective is short and ends in y, you should remove the y and add ier like easy, easier, tasty, tastier. For longer adjectives, we add more before them to compare between two things. For example, expensive, more expensive, beautiful, more beautiful. We also add more before adverbs that end in ly, like easily would be more easily, slowly, more slowly. And don't forget that there are some irregular forms, like good would be better and bad would be worse, far, further, or farther. And if you have two things that share the same adjective, you should use as, the adjective, as. For example, as fresh as, or as tall as. The last thing I want to tell you is that being paralyzed by your indecision is worse than making the wrong decision. You can't grow if you don't trust your inner voice.